Hello everyone, let's get started with the Dot Mandala on this 23-inch MDF board. I'm going to paint this swastik design first. I've dotted using golden yellow. Now I'm just going to drag it so that it fills in the space. I'll keep orange dots in these 4 places. I'll keep orange dots in only the corners. Along the line I'm going to keep tiny orange dots. I somehow love this color combination of yellow and orange. What do you think? I'll keep 3 eye-shaped mirrors here. Now I'll stick these eye-shaped mirrors in this side as well. Now in fact I have done these sticking mirrors in 2 sides. I'll do it here and here as well. To stick mirrors I'll just place a Fevicol first. The small dot of Fevicol is more than enough to hold these small mirrors. So before I forget, let me tell you the circles. I have not measured any circles, all were at random, and the angles 0 and 180 falls here, and the other were marked at every 30 degree, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. Both sides I have followed the same measurements. I'll keep a red dot here. So using the same red color, I'm going to work the dots on either side. Now I'll keep white dots in this circle. Between any 2 dots on the line, I think I can keep 4 beautiful dots. So that's what I'm doing. There are people who ask, how do you keep dots precisely? That's only by practice. I'm going to keep tiny white dots here. I personally feel adding these tiny dots adds to beauty. What do you think? Now I'll keep red dots here. This is coral red that I'm using. Some of you do ask me the size of the tools. I actually do not know the size of the tools. I'm going to keep white dots on all these lines here. going to keep a smaller white dot just above these bigger dots. Now I'll work the dots in white. Now I'm going to keep a yellow dot here. Now I'll work the dots in yellow. This is chrome yellow that I'm using. I have 3 shades of yellow: lemon yellow, chrome yellow and golden yellow. Now I'll keep red dots. Now I'll keep orange dots in between. Now I'll work the dots in orange. Now I'll work the dots using coral red. I'll keep white dots in between any 2 patterns here. I'll keep a straight swipe in red. I'm going to keep a plumpy dot and then manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag this dot into a swipe. I'll keep 2 side swipes in yellow now, and I'm going to keep a dot and then manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag this dot into a swipe. Now I'll keep some orange dots along this circle line here. Now I'm going to keep some straight swipes in yellow. Now I'll keep red swipes in between any two yellow swipe here. I'll keep some white dots now. I'll keep some yellow dots now. Now I'll keep some red dots. Now I'll keep some orange dots. Now I'll work the dots in orange. Now I'll work the dots in red. I'll keep some white dots now. I'm sure all of you love this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.